GardenWise. GardenWise is a gardening tool that helps users optimize plant growth with location-based frost date estimation, customizable garden layouts, and crop-specific growing schedules. Technologies used: .NET. Key challenges: struggling with frost dates, space in urban gardens, and managing plant schedules. Novice gardeners often face challenges with layouts and lack climate-specific solutions, making gardening harder than it should be. Solutions we offer: we provide location-based frost date estimates and customizable garden layouts to help you plan and optimize your garden, no matter the size or style. We provide personalized growing schedules, visual garden layouts with optimal plant placements, and compatibility guidance based on sunlight and space for a thriving garden. Our approach: we offer a user-friendly, data-driven platform with location-based insights, customizable features, and visual tools for a seamless gardening experience. Features: we offer frost date estimation and customizable garden layouts for any garden type. Personalized crop growing schedules. Visual garden layouts for easy planning and placement. We provide plant compatibility, sunlight considerations, and an easy-to-use interface for all gardeners. Achievements: we've achieved 95% accuracy in frost dates, boosted yields by 30%, increased engagement by 40%, and improved space utilization by 25%, earning a 4.75 rating for design and accessibility. Transform your garden with our easy-to-use gardening web app. Contact Sapphire Software Solutions now and get started today. Sapphire Software Solutions, your partner in digital innovation.